.1997 GMC Sonoma SLS extended cab 4-wheel drive, 4.3-liter 5.6 with all the right stuff. Looking for a small 4-wheel drive pickup? This may be what you are looking for. Get in here today and see just how much truck you really can afford at carstrucksandtoys.comAt. Cars, Trucks and Toys.com. All vehicles have a clean title, go through a thorough vehicle inspection, and qualify for extended warranties. We offer in-house financing with flexible terms, so call or come on down today. Credit problems? We can help. Cash customers make us an offer. See you soon. Vehicle history report available on every vehicle.